This is an emergency alert. The current threat level is Watch and Act. The Bureau of Meteorology has issued a heat advisory for Warrnambool. At 11 a.m. temperatures have risen to 35 degrees this morning. Residents are advised to keep hydrated by drinking water from a bottle and refilling it when empty. Wear sunscreen and turn on air cons. Avoid being in non-cold parts of your location for too long, as it will lead to health problems. Updates will be continued to be given over today via our website, social media, our mobile app and emergency alerts. Information will be available via local radio, emergency alerts and Oz Media. Stay calm, stay vigilant and stay safe.